Now our honorable, yeah, it's okay. Just say it yes, no problem. Okay. So what happened? Our honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, he has initiated that if yoga, everyone is doing yoga in this world, why we should not have a day which should be called as a in yoga day. So he initiated, he posted in UN, and now because of his all effort, the yoga is now International Yoga Day. We are celebrating. Not only Indians, entire world is doing yoga today. Isn't it very good? Yeah, they used to do. It's not saying that they have started now only, but now it's got a recognition. Just like international, any day you say International Mother's Day, Father's Day, like that, International Yoga Day. Everyone in this world today, at least they will perform yoga. So I thought I should also invite you people to do yoga. Are you excited to do yoga?
Yes.
Show me thumbs up if you are. Okay. I think Anshu is not that much interested. She is little bit dull. Okay, so what we have to do? We are going to perform pair yoga. Pair yoga means you and your pair. Who is your pair today? My pair is my daughter. Your pair?
Mine is my daughter.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, no problem. If you don't have pair, imagine that you have your pair. It's okay. So we will sit back to back and chant Omkar for 5 times. How to do? Just sit down. Again, come in. Yeah, sit back to back. Make your spine together. Okay? Just you sit down just like that. If you don't have partner, no problem. Sit like this. And deep breathe. 5 times. Deep breathe. Yes, close your eyes, Anshu, and do deep breathing. Deep breathe in and out. Now, done. See, could you feel that your breathe and your daughter's breathe are together now after doing this? Yes, we feel. Because that connection, the spine is the connection. Spine is the flow of energy from where the energy flows in our body. So when we connect spine to spine, our energy get exchanged. So whenever you feel low or you don't want to talk to your mother, just come and sit back to back and you will feel more connected. If you are angry with your mama or angry with your daughter, just come and sit back to back. You will feel more connected. Yes, it's true. Because our spine is the flow, is the center from where energy flows. When your energy is connected, you are more connected. Now see, we will try to do which asana you want to do. Okay. Now we will try to do Naukasana together. Just try it. Don't get that and don't feel that I'm not able to do or something else. Just do it. Just give a try. Just connect your leg first. Yes, and so you can do all alone now, cousin. Yes, 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 yes. Keep your legs up and now, cousin. Try. And down.